Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade in or fade out audios within your edits on Filmora. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora application on your device and you can either create a new project or open up any of your old ones from draft. When you open up your project and add your media files, you will end up within the timeline menu. Now from here, if you wish to fade the audio for any of your video or audio tracks, simply tap on this video or audio track. You will then find the volume option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can adjust the volume level and also the fade in and fade out options. Swipe the slider in order to add your duration for both the fade in and fade out. And once you're done, you can tap on the tick mark to apply your changes. Then just view the preview and proceed forward with your other edits. You can do this with all of your video and audio file. When you tap on any audio file, you will automatically see the fade option. Apart from volume, you may use this option or the volume option as well to change your fade settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fade the audio within your files on Filmora. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.